so I've got a giant question for you. Picture this: 12 challenges. So hard that everyone says they're absolutely impossible. Do you think just one person could be brave enough and strong enough to finish every single one? Well, you're about to find out, because the hero of our story today had to do exactly that. It is time to meet the one, the only, the legendary Hercules. Okay, so when I say Hercules was strong, I don't just mean like he was good at gym class. Oh no, we're talking about the strongest hero who ever lived. For real. People told stories that he could wrestle actual giants and lift up whole buildings. He was a total superstar of strength. But come here, I gotta tell you a little secret. Even the strongest hero in the world isn't perfect. See, Hercules made a really big mistake one time, and it made him feel just awful inside. He knew he had to do something big to make it right, to prove to everyone, and especially to himself, that he had the heart of a true hero. So, to prove he was a true hero, a king gave him a list of jobs. But these weren't regular jobs, like, cleaning your room. No way. These were the 12th impossible tasks. They're also called the 12 Labors, and trust me, every single one was a wild adventure. That's right, 12! Can you believe it? Hercules had to face all kinds of crazy things, like battling a monster with 9 heads, and even tricking a giant to get some magical golden apples. But today, we're gonna dive into his very first task, and you better get ready, because it involves a terrifying monster. Okay, so for task number 1, Hercules was sent to face this super fearsome beast that was scaring everybody in the countryside. I'm talking about a creature that no other warrior could ever beat. He had to battle a gigantic lion with shimmery, magical golden fur. This wasn't just any lion. This monster had a name that made people shake in their sandals: the Nemean Lion. The villagers were so scared they wouldn't even leave their houses. All the bravest hunters had tried to stop it, but every single one of them failed. This lion, it seemed totally unstoppable. So what was the lion's big secret? Well, get this. Its beautiful golden fur was like magic armor. Seriously, arrows would just ping right off of it, and swords couldn't even make a scratch. How in the world was Hercules supposed to beat a monster like that? But do you think Hercules was scared? Not a chance. He tracked that lion all the way to its dark, spooky cave. He could hear its deep, rumbling roar from inside. But you know what he did? He took a big breath and walked right in. All by himself, he was ready. So, first thing, Hercules tried his weapons. Whoosh, he fired his sharpest arrows, but they just bounced right off the lion's golden coat. Then, clang, he swung his huge, heavy sword, but it didn't do a thing. His weapons were totally useless. So what did he do? Did he just give up and go home? No way! Hercules realized his regular tools wouldn't work. He had to use something way more powerful: his own incredible muscles and his super smart hero brain. After a long, epic battle, using all of his courage and his clever thinking, Hercules defeated the Nemean Lion. He did it! And his victory teaches us the real lesson of this whole story. It teaches us what a hero's true strength really is. And hey, here's a tiny cool fact for you. To show everyone he'd finished his first impossible task, Hercules wore the lion's magic golden skin as a kind of cape and armor. So if you ever see old Greek statues or paintings, look really close. You'll probably see our hero wearing that lion skin. It became his symbol for being super brave. So, what is true strength? Is it just about having big muscles? Nope. Just like Hercules showed us, it's about having courage, even when you feel scared. It's about having patience when things get really tricky. And the most important part, it's about never, ever giving up. Okay, so now you know the secret to Hercules' power, which means I've got a challenge for you. Yep, it is your turn to be strong. Let's see if you can be a hero in your own world today. You've got 2 hero tasks. Ready? Okay, task 1 is the mirror challenge. I want you to find one thing today that feels just a little bit hard for you. Maybe it's a tricky math problem or learning a new song. Whatever it is, just try your best and don't give up. And step 2 is the comment quest. Ask a grown-up to help you leave a comment and tell us, what do you think makes someone truly strong? All right, heroes, you ready for a super fast pop quiz? Let's see what you remember. First question, how many impossible labors did Hercules have to finish? Was it 5, 10, or 12? Question number 2, what was that ferocious animal with the awesome magical golden fur? And the last one, this one's a simple yes or no. Did weapons work against that Nemean lion? You did it! Yes! You got them all right. You are officially a hero expert. It is time to get out your adventure passport and give it a giant stamp because you have officially explored the amazing world of ancient Greece. Awesome job! And can you believe it? That was just one of Hercules' 12 incredible adventures. There are so many more mighty legends and amazing heroes waiting for us all around the world. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure together. Until then,